Hello, my name is Saurabh Saxena, and so now I'm going to show you a small demo of autonomous drone. In this demo, I used Flightmare, and Flightmare is running on Ubuntu inside the virtual box, and on the other hand, I'm using Unity running on the Windows 10. So in this video, drone is moving inside the Unity game, and it's moving towards a collision, a fragile box. And when drone detects that there's a box, drone changes its trajectory, and that we call as drone is changing the trajectory on collision detection. So it's moving so smooth. In the next demo, we created 6 gates, and drone is moving through 6 gates so smoothly. So drone is detecting gates and changing the trajectory and moving autonomously. So in this demo, we are controlling a drone with a Mixability app running on Mac OS 3. In the app, we have a lever. When a user pulls the lever, drone gets activated in autonomous mode, and it started flying. And see how beautiful drone is flying and landed safely. We use Unreal Engine 5 in this demo. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.